Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Tape Measure Tuesday feature on shelleywood.com. Let's say you bought a vintage velvet doll and you want to know if she can wear vintage Chrissy doll patterns. What you need are some measurements. And the Tape Measure Tuesday feature offers a chance for you to see which patterns will actually fit your doll by comparing the two dolls' measurements. Okay, to find doll measurements, you're going to use this little icon, which even on a tablet or smartphone, you're going to find it near the menu. It looks like a little spyglass, like Nancy Drew, the sleuth, would use, and you're going to click on that. It's going to give you a bar for searching. You're going to type a hashtag, type tape measure Tuesday, followed by the name of the doll you want to find. So Chrissy doll, for example. It will show all the Tape Measure Tuesdays I've done on Chrissy dolls. Here we see one where we're measuring Chrissy against a vintage velvet and Chrissy and other dolls, okay, that are in a similar size range. Once you find the Tape Measure Tuesday that you're looking for, you click on that particular one and scroll down, and it should give you measurements for sewing purposes for the doll you're looking for. So there's Chrissy in velvet, and if you scroll down a little bit, first of all, any irregularities, like Chrissy dolls have this little button, and I'm going to note that for sewing purposes because you do need to stretch around that button when you're measuring. So I give the measurements in bulleted form like this. My measurements are primarily in metric. Centimeters are probably the most useful for most dolls because centimeters and millimeters, depending on how small your doll is. But a lot of times I'll include their inches, at least with their height, so you know how tall they are. This concludes my Tape Measure Tuesday tutorial. Hopefully this will be helpful to you. I haven't measured all of my dolls yet, but if there's one you'd like me to measure so that it will help you with your sewing projects, let me know. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.